Can acupuncture help treat ED? Stay tuned to find out. Can acupuncture help with ED? Well, acupuncture has shown multiple potential in the treatment of ED. Multiple studies actually has demonstrated that acupuncture can be effective in ED patients with the effective rate of at least 54 to 69%. That's not bad. 50 to 70% improvement in ED. So I'm going to dive a little bit deeper on this for you. So first, how does acupuncture work and what is acupuncture? So acupuncture is using thin little needles that doesn't have bevel tips, so it doesn't cut the skin. It just pierces the skin. It just separates the skin and it goes to an acupuncture point. And acupuncture point is really an energy point. It's known that in acupuncture you have yin and yang, and you have essentially channels that run throughout your body, like this model I have here of acupuncture. You can see it here on YouTube. You can see the video with the acupuncture point. It's the meridian. It has 6 meridian lines that run in the front and the back of the body, and it runs from the scalp all the way to the toes, as you can see here. And acupuncture is an ancient Chinese practice involving insertion of little thin needles into these specific points that you see here on the body, and it aimed to restore balance and also promote healing as well. So acupuncture point, I think of it like a freeway, the acupuncture meridian, and it's supposed to flow from the head down to the toes, and the toes come up the back and then flows over. And it's freeway without traffic. So when an acupuncture point starts to become dysfunction, that means that there is a stagnant area. It's almost like a traffic congestion right there. And the energy cannot pass through that point. When it can't pass through that point, then disease or energy is stuck there, and then that organ around that area start to be affected. That's how you kind of think of how acupuncture works. Surprisingly and interestingly, I think that's very interesting that acupuncture do hold promise to be helpful for ED, and let's explore how. ED is defined as an inability to achieve or maintain an erection satisfactory for sexual intercourse. So it can be either physical, psychological, or a combination of both. So how acupuncture works is that acupuncture help with ED, and it revolves around stimulating specific points in the body to improve blood flow, to reduce stress, and to rebalance energy pathway. As I was saying on here, these are the energy pathway that travel throughout your body, and when the energy pathway are stagnant or like in a traffic jam, your balance is impaired. So it can actually address the root cause and the symptoms of ED. Several studies have shown that it's effective in regulating neurotransmitters or little messengers in the body, and it also increases blood flow and improve hormone balance. And it's effective in 54 to 69% of ED patients that undergo these acupuncture treatment. Now, there are 3 big main acupuncture points that I'm going to show you. One is called stomach 25, and it's the 2 points that's right beside the belly button, and it's called the conjo point. And the second one is called stomach 36. It's 2 points that is right the side of the shin, on the outer part of the shin, these 2 white dots right here. And then the third point is called liver 3, which is in the web space between the first and second toe. Those are the main 3 points. Now, there are other points too that in the body that will help with balance, but those are the main points at this time. And how they work is that they regulate serotonin level, reduce anxiety, and promote overall balance and well-being. But first, before you go to see an acupuncturist, you need to get blood work done to evaluate what's going on with you inside. You have high cholesterol, you have high blood sugar, or are you having anemia or maybe kidney or liver problem, which can be easily picked up by blood work. Now, acupuncture, I would suggest that you do it alongside with other interventions, such as doing lifestyle changes, such as eating a better diet and exercise and getting sleep, stop smoking or vaping, and also decrease stress. Those factors help along with acupuncture, and of course get your blood work like I mentioned before, because I can't tell you how many times I see patients, they look so healthy on the outside. When we get blood work, we find out they're anemic or have low red blood cell, or they have a kidney problem and or liver problem and low testosterone hormone. Now, acupuncture is not going to help with all of that, but if you do the blood work and you do the acupuncture and you do the lifestyle modification, like I mentioned, all of those are powerful treatment modality that together work synergistically to treat ED on a much higher level if you were just going to do one single modality alone. What are some of the side effects of acupuncture? If done by a trained professional, it is very, very, very safe, but some side effects may include minor bruising, soreness, and infection if not done with proper hygiene. But however, most of the needles are sterile and it's used once and you throw away. That shouldn't be a problem. So I'm excited to report that acupuncture shows promise to use in conjunction with other treatment for the treatment of ED, and that study does show that it can improve ED by 50 to 70% along with other treatment. So now you can consider looking at it as another modality at the treatment spectrum of ED at this point. And I'll list some of the resources down below. I'm proud to say that I have been doing acupuncture since actually 2001, and I am now combining this with my treatment with hormone replacement therapy, stem cell, and shockwave therapy, and supplement and lifestyle changes, and Botox. So I am putting everything at the state of the art into my treatment to ensure that my patients get restoration of their sex life. Because as a modern man, that you can be happy and live the life you want to live and be the modern man. So having said that, I will really appreciate if you subscribe and comment and let me know what you think of this episode, and follow the link down below, because I want you to check out my free ebook, that 5 common mistakes men make when facing ED. And I will see you in the next episode. Are you struggling and frustrated in finding a solution for ED? Well, I have just the thing for you. It's called the Modern Man Club, led by yours truly, Dr. Ann. Together, we're redefining male sexuality and embracing a holistic approach to overcoming ED without medication or surgery. I will provide a protective environment for a community and proven strategy to overcoming ED. It is a safe place, expert coaching by me and my team. We provide holistic approach to overcoming ED and an empowering community of men with ED supporting one another, and lots and lots of educational resources. Visit mensexualityclub.com at the link here on my right and connect with us and reclaim control over your sexual health. I'll see you there. Thanks for listening to the Sexual Health for Men podcast. If you love this episode, then please take a screenshot on your phone and post it on Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you post. And be sure to tag me and let me know why you like this episode and what you like to hear in the future. That will help me know what's great for you, and I would love to give you the most incredible free gift designed to help you improve performance quickly. go to my website at sexualhealthformenpodcast.com to get the book, The 5 Common Costly Mistakes Men Make When Facing ED. I would appreciate it if you subscribe, leave a review on Apple Podcasts or wherever you listen, and just know that you can have sexual vitality for life. I appreciate you. Until next time.